Yo, what's up? It's me, Anthony, and today we are here again to Arroyo High School. This is our freaking inside the room, and we just have one fluorescent. Their two bulbs are not functioning, and one fluorescent is not functioning. It was said here that do not switch this on. Okay. Travelog! Naiwan ko. Legit travelog. Matangin na mo. Isa lang ilaw na gumagana. Bintang ka rin yan, no? Hindi. Nawala sa may tapet. Tapos hindi ko lang. Oo, nakakaya. Hindi ko lang. Isip na magkawala ng tapet. Nag-lindo ko. Madaling araw? Ako yung city. Okay, so, iniisip na nila yung sarili nilang kapakanan. Dito, para bukas na to sa China in the classroom. Tadon! Andiyan pa rin yan. Okay, continuation. Isang electric fan lang ang gumagana. Dahil technical problem yung isa. Yeah, what's up? Practice tayo.